Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for You. Last time we went through the coding assistance that's new in VA Smalltalk 8.5, the coding completion. If you don't like the keys that are used in that, for instance, you may not like Enter for code completion, you may want Tab instead. It turns out it's easy enough to change. If you go in here to Options, you'll find that down here under Code Assist, there's Use It. If you don't want it on at all, you can turn it off. And secondly, there's an Edit option. So we can go in here, and then there's a little Preferences window, and you can do things like turn Coding Assistant off right here. Notice this is just a drop-down checkbox, so you get true or false. Max visible suggestions, so if you don't like 15 of them, you can turn it down to something else. So I can go in here, and I can change this number, so I can just spin it up and down. Auto pop-up enabled, I can turn that on and off. I can turn the threshold. I can take the pop-up delay and move that up or down. Autocomplete on single suggestion. The suggestion key, this one, I can make it either Enter or, notice I can make it Tab. So if I want Tab instead of Enter, I can change that. And so on. There are other suggestions I can do here too. I can come down to the traversal keys enabled, method visibility, filtering, show methods defined in objects. So for instance, if you figure that you never want to see the plethora of methods that are in object as one of the suggestions, you can turn that off. And then it'll filter down just the rest of the hierarchy. That might be quite valuable because most of the time you probably don't want those. But in some cases you do. So the thing is you can filter the way this tool works in a nice way. And if you don't like what you've done with this, you can always, of course, hit Restore Defaults and turn everything back to the way it's supposed to be or the way it started out being. So in any case, that's how you can control the coding assistance that's new in VA Smalltalk 8.5. And you can just turn this on and off. You can change the way it works. And I can go ahead and obviously I can save my image once I've done that. So it's all right there in a nice, easy to use fashion. So that's about it for today. Until next time. Have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.